Hello, hello everyone. My name is Rohit Jivananda Pude. So today take grammar and communication part 2. So today we continue simple continuous tense. So first two slides is how to speak in English. There is I explain, and then four slides start to simple present tense. So first, what is important to communication? So what has to be done for speaking English? So already people know how to speak in English and which activity is very important. So reading storybook, newspapers for 30 minutes every day, and second listening and anything for 30 minutes every day, and thinking in English every day. So thinking in English every day is very important. So most of the people thinking in Marathi and try to speak English is wrong. So if you think in English, you definitely will try to speak in English. So next slide. What is to be know to improve English language? So word power. So I suggest one book, Word Power Made Easy. It's fantastic book. There is so many interesting word, verb in regular and irregular. One substitution, phrases, proverb, idioms, and idiomatic expression. Structure of sentence. Tense. There are three types of tense. You know already: present, past, and future. So I hope you enjoy this video. So main part of this slide. So simple continuous tense. Before we learn uh, simple present tense, so this is second part, simple continuous tense. The use of to be, am is are. So am is are means to be. So to be means occupation, nouns, adjective, place. So I take this example also, occupation. We consider what is your occupation, this type of question you ask to someone. So that this say, I am a engineer, I am a engineer, like this. Nouns means it is a building. Particular nouns means building is particular, it is a building. So noun plural there is including. Adjective flower and beautiful, these two words is including adjective. And place, it is a hospital. When you considering any place, on that time you say it is a it is a hospital, like this. So I hope you understood. So next slide is present continuous or progressive tense. So formula of present continuous tense: subject plus to be plus am is are. To be means am is are plus v1 ing plus object plus other words. So I hope you learn this formula very easily. Subject plus to be plus am is are plus v1 ing plus object plus other words. If you couldn't take to be, so you direct use am is are. So subject plus am is are plus ving plus object plus other words. So when we use am, so in a subject, if I use I, so I should use am in second words. So like this. If you use are, so we they you non plural is very important. If you considering is, if you take a subject is, so that's why he she it noun singular, it's very important. Subject he she it use, then you should use is compulsory, this is singular. Okay. So I take their example three. I take their three example also. I am playing cricket with friend. मी मित्रांसह क्रिकेट खेळत आहे. आय एमंट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट विथ फ्रेंड्स. मी मित्रांसह क्रिकेट खेळत नाही. सो आय टेक देअर एमंट means you can take this am not also, but I use their am and playing cricket with friend. मित्रांसह क्रिकेट खेळत नाही. दिस इज अ कंटिन्यू. सो खेळत आहे like. okay. आय एम प्लेइंग एम आय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट विथ फ्रेंड. मी मित्रासह क्रिकेट खेळत आहे का. ॲक्च्युली वेन यू आस्क समवन एम आय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट विथ फ्रेंड, someone ask you like this. okay. ॲमंट आय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट विथ फ्रेंड. मी मित्रांसह क्रिकेट खेळत नाही. So I hope you understand. If any queries regarding to this example, so you can ask me in comment box. So there is a teach notes also. Verb related to perception: eyes, tongue, nose are not used in a present continuous tense. For example, thinking, watching, tasting, smiling are used. So you know already ing. If any work is continue, that time we use ing form. Okay, I hope you understand. So next slide. We are collecting flower for garland means माला साठी. ॲक्च्युली मालासाठी मीन्स हारासाठी. मी हारासाठी फुले गोळा करीत आहो, मी मालासाठी फुले गोळा करीत आहो. वी कॅन दिस टू मिनिंग्स ऑफ दिस सेम वर. गार्लँड मीन्स मालासाठी, अदरवाईज हारासाठी. सो वी आरंट कलेक्टिंग फ्लावर फॉर गार्लँड. मी मालासाठी फुले गोळा करीत आहो, मी मालासाठी फुले गोळा करीत नाही आहोत. आर वी कलेक्टिंग फ्लावर फॉर गार्लँड. आम्ही मालासाठी फुले गोळा करीत आहोत का? आरंट वी कलेक्टिंग फ्लावर फॉर गार्लँड. आम्ही मालासाठी फुले गोळा करीत नाही आहोत का? दिस इज मराठी मिनिंग ऑल्सो. सो नेक्स्ट, शी इज. दिस इज अ सिंग्युलर. शी इज गिविंग चॉकलेट टू स्टुडंट. ती विद्यार्थ्यांना चॉकलेट देत आहे. शी इजंट गिविंग चॉकलेट टू स्टुडंट. ती विद्यार्थ्यांना चॉकलेट देत नाही. इज शी गिविंग चॉकलेट टू स्टुडंट. ती विद्यार्थ्याला चॉकलेट देत आहे का? इजंट शी गिविंग चॉकलेट टू स्टुडंट. ती विद्यार्थ्यांना चॉकलेट देत नाही का? सो दिस 3 sentence I take this example for continue tense. I hope you understand. If any curious, you can message me in comment box. So next video continue tomorrow, part 3. Tomorrow we will take present perfect tense. I hope you understood everything. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.